Hey everyone, just thought I should record a video since I look really scary right now. This morning I finally made my presentation to my mom about the writer's workshop that I've been taking. I'm in a writer's workshop right now and I made a presentation about everything that I learned this last Tuesday. So I was really stressing about that, but now I'm stressing about finishing this Dumpa Lahiri story that I'm supposed to read for my class on Tuesday. And I also have to do a lot of things like call the optometrist, call my therapist, call Ventura Transit, call call. Actually, I think that's all the people I need to call. And I also need to do a bunch of other things, but I'm hoping I can like convince my mom to take me out for like a coffee or something later today, because I've been craving like coffee. Real coffee because we only have decaf at home. So, yeah. I look so fat. Eating the lamb vindaloo from Trader Joe's in front of the microwave. Hey everyone, it is Tuesday, June the 2nd, and I'm feeling very ratchet. Ratchet. I'm feeling very ratchet. I just slept until 12 today, and it is now almost 1:30, and I still haven't done anything today. I think it's partially because yesterday I spent the whole entire morning like making a bunch of phone calls and doing a bunch of random stuff. So maybe like today I just needed a break from that, from the chaos. I don't know. But I just don't feel good. And I really want to do something, but I don't know what to do. Hey everyone. I'm feeling really ratchet right now. I just woke up from like an hour and a half nap. Actually, almost 2 hour nap, if I'm going to be real with you. Which I am. And I'm about to drink some chocolate because I need caffeine. Not because I need caffeine, okay. Because I like chocolate. I just like chocolate. I'm not a caffeine addict. But yeah. Sorry this vlog is mostly just like me talking, yapping, but anyway, that's just my life. Then my mom, Miss Mwama, took to organizing the notes that we made every day since March about our happy moments of the day. So every day, at the end of the day, we write down like a few of the happy moments that we had that day. So yeah, we've been doing that pretty consistently since March. Thanks for watching vlog number 68. Even though it was kind of boring, don't let the like, comment, subscribe buttons be ones you're ignoring. This is the 60-second Fairy Tales production.